Hello everyone, Millicami with SmarterBook here. I've been asked a couple of times to make a tutorial video, a demonstration video, or basically anything to just show the extension, how to download it and all that. So I just thought, why not just make an all-in-one video, how to download it, basically what a student would, the steps a student would take to get the extension working and everything fully going. So first things first, you load into the website. Once you load into the website, you want to go ahead and scroll down to choose your tier, or you can just click the button right up here, see pricing, just takes you right to it. You can choose between starter, pro, elite, and this is the weekly, so you can toggle that to monthly and it'll take you to the monthly tabs too. So there's also upgrades. So if you want to get a starter tier and you decide, hey, I don't really like this and I want to unlock all of these features, then you just go ahead and buy the starter pro upgrade. It does keep your time the same, so pro to elite and then starter to elite, just a big mega jump. Honestly, in my opinion, I would probably either go with the starter weekly pass to get the assignment or the starter monthly, whatever, and then probably just go straight to this because you can double stack the coupons, so you probably only get like 20 bucks total. Or you can really, if you're taking finals or very important tests, just go straight with the 7-day elite access key. Anyways, let's just say you went with the starter weekly. You click the button to get it. Yep. All right. So now you get into our thingy right here. You can read whatever you want to do, whatever you want. You can either add it to cart or you can just click buy now. Just click buy now button. It'll take you right to your checkout. So once it takes you here, you put in the coupon code. It will be off 20% and it'll take the price down to $4 total. You can choose whichever one you want. I prefer, I'll probably do PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App. Those are all my favorite. I like Cash App the most because you get another percent discount off, so it'll be right under $4. So once you go ahead and do that, get your confirmation email, whatever you want. You just proceed to the payment method, go through all that process. Boom, you're done with it. Now you've unlocked the key. It'll take you to this window right here. There will be a redirect window. So as soon as you get to this, it'll be like kind of blurred out, and then it'll be click here to redirect. It'll just take you to the download section. But before that, you see your deliverables right here. Your key will be right here. It will not say this. It'll be your full key. Okay. So you copy this key, put it wherever the hell you want, just wherever is safe. This will also be in your emails. This key, this whole like invoice will be sent to your mail. You copy your key, then you go back to this redirect window, and you install the extension. So here's the steps. This is the most requested part. So let's get to it. So you click your download button, then you'll get a SmarterBook.zip. What you want to do is you want to open the file. So either you can double click it and it'll open it up here, or you can just straight up go here and you can, the next step is you go here, you click extract all, extract, and then boom. So now it opened up the SmarterBook folder. Now y'all see it. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Chrome extensions. So I'm on Opera, so I have to go to extension. I forgot to say this while recording, but you want to toggle developer mode. It should be up at the top right. Once you toggle that, then continue with these instructions. It's here. I have a bunch of extensions, ignore all of them. I've been testing it out. So you load Unpacked, then you click on the file that was just here, right? The one that you just extracted, extract all. So you click it and then you press select folder and boom. Now the extension is here. You go to your puzzle piece at the top right, you pin it just so it pops up here. I definitely recommend you pinning it. That is like very important in my opinion. It's much easier to just click here. And yeah, so now you get to this part. So what you want to do now is you want to go to checkout, copy the key that you just bought. I have mine saved, so boom. And you want to put your key in here, right? Or upgrade key. I don't even think you can use the upgrade part from here, but like just put your key in, activate system. Your key will then be activated. If you have an upgrade or upgrade tier, you just put your upgrade right here, your upgrade key. It will not work unless your upgrade is what it's meant to be. If you're going to starter pro, pro elite, or starter to elite, right? So you put your key in here, you press apply upgrade, boom, your thing gets upgraded. So this is the extension, right? Let me open. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry for that cut. I just had to open up McGraw-Hill to show you all the extension. So once you activated your key, correct, now you just go to your start questions. Right, I've already finished this one, so it's all the same. You click here, then you can put on whatever feature you like. These are elite features, of course. If you have starter or pro, some features will be like blocked out. It'll say like pro or elite on some of these. So let me just show y'all around some of my favorite ones. I like to do tab spoof because I don't think anybody wants to sit here staring at this bot completing its work. I'm pretty sure y'all want to go do something else. It's the whole reason why y'all are here. There's also a voice panic mode. I'm not going to turn that on because I don't want to, use it right now. But put on the reading simulator, reading highlights. If you have elite, this is the most important thing ever. Use Hive Mind. Use Hive Mind. You will get guaranteed questions. If the community pool, if your question is like in that community pool, you will get that question correct, no matter what, like 100%. Human typer is also a really good one. Confidence jitter, this helps a lot. B student mode, this just gets a couple questions wrong here and there. Doubtful clicking is a very good one. Struggle hovers are really good, and it'll go like, oh, which one is it, mouse trails, this is also super important for safety. Session handoff, I wouldn't do this. Reference check, you can also try reference check, but I really don't try to do those. Also, you also have an answering speed mode, right? So I like to keep mine between 2, like I recommend it here, best 1 to 2. You could go 3, you could even go 10. 10 is, I had to slow it down a little bit because it was just getting a bunch of answers just completely wrong and just completely messing it all up. So I would just go between, I would go between like 1.5 to 3. I like staying at like 2.5, but for this video, I'll do 3. So, yep, my bad, I clicked out. So now, once you do this, you can also, actually, yeah, let me put this webhook in here. I have the server open, so let me edit here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you open up your Discord. Actually, let me just give you a full thing. Add server, you create my own. Just for me and my friends is what I would do. I would just name it SmarterBook. You don't have to, you can just name it whatever the hell you want. I don't really. SmarterBook. Boom. Name it whatever the hell you want. I could care less. And then you click Edit Channel, Integrations, Create a Webhook. Boom. This webhook will be created. Very important. You click Copy Webhook URL. Then you go back here. You paste the webhook URL in here. Boom. You're done. You don't have to press Enter. Boom. You're done. Then you press Home. Now you're ready to activate the bot. You can click it here, or you can detach, and it'll start. And since we have the bizarre mouse trails on, you can see the bot going through. If y'all need support with anything, I am always here in the Discord. So the Discord is always active. We have people texting all the time. We have over 200 active members. If you need a support ticket, you just open up a support ticket. Do not DM Me? Really? Yeah, please do not DM me, open up a ticket for support. I will get to y'all as soon as possible. Usually I'll probably get to y'all within like 5 to 10 minutes. Like, that's about the time. And if you want to join the Discord and get your tier, you don't have to. You don't really unlock anything crazy. You could just stay a student whenever you join in. But you just open up a ticket and you put your order ID in, your tier, starter, pro, or elite, and then proof of the screenshot receipt. Just really anything. I don't really care to check much about this stuff, but I'll just give you the tier according to whatever I see here. So yeah, if you have any questions, just join general chat. We have admins on all the time and a support agent on all the time that answer questions. That's if I'm not on to answer those questions. So yeah, these are our official links. We got SmarterBook and we got the Discord server. We also are hosting a giveaway, 1 elite monthly key. For per winner, we're doing 10 winners. We only have 2 entries at the moment. So yeah, y'all join up on this. So